I, Nicolette K. Loomis, take you, Allan Frederick Tringle Jr., as my husband. I pledge to share my life openly with you, to speak the truth to you in love. I promise to honor and tenderly care for you, to cherish you and encourage you.
I promise to love you alone, selflessly and earnestly.
I promise to stand beside you on the mountaintops and in the valley of our lives together. I promise to encourage you and find joy and laughter in all circumstances, even when the Huskies lose. I promise to help you create a home with Christ as its center,
Bringing glory to God as we bring our love to each other.
I want to share the rest of my life with you in every situation, rejoicing in the Lord always.
You may kiss your wife.
Hello was the end of her beginnings. Her laugh was their first step down the aisle. His hand would be hers to hold forever. His forever was as simple as her smile. He said she was what he was missing. She said instantly she knew. She was a question to be answered, and his answer was, I do.
So, please raise your glass, and we just want to say we love you, we're super happy for you, and we can't wait to kind of go through life with you. So, cheers to Nikki and Allan.